Baby, so go. Bad that I miss. Baby, so go. Bad that I miss.
Hello mga kalakwatsero, it's been such a long time. Join me as I visit South Korea for my first ever solo trip abroad. Tara, isasama ko kayo. This vlog was taken almost 3 years ago. I decided to upload my travel videos again and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na. Hi guys! Hello! Ang lamig. So we're going to Gyeongbokgung Palace.
Gyeongbokgung Palace.
Yes. I have a special guest right now, all the way from the country of Philippines lang pala. From the Pearl of the Orient.
Yes.
Oh. Ayan. So, iniwan kami ni CJ na inaantay namin kanina pa. Ang ending, hahanap pala ng iba. Gusto pang magpapili sa'yo, take note. Tapos ending, ang mahal, lipat siya eh.
Yes, budget is real.
Budget is real. So, ayan.
Good morning!
Wow, another vlogger!
Joke
Yo!
lang!
옛 문헌들에게 따르면 구성실을 구성하고 슈퍼드가 연주하는 종소리만 주어가 앞으로 나아가고 지휘관이 있는 이동을 멈춰서 갑니다.
기억됐어? 느낌이 신나죠?
행렬이 오고 있습니다.
Please pay attention to the Upsangmun Gate. The commander in charge is leading the troop through the gate into the sky.
各位游客，请跟携生们，这是我们正令令下，请使们郑重携生为行之入朝。
皆様、一つご覧ください。ただいま皇太子本社を率いる衛兵たちが登場しています。
Hi guys, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. So I suggest, bago kayo pumunta dito, rent a hanbok para free ang entrance. But you have to go to the ticketing station or ticketing booth to get your ticket kahit walang bayad para lang may maklaim kayo going to the entrance. So ayan siya, kung makikita nyo, para siyang may sand sa baba. And maaraw siya pero malamig, especially morning, sobrang malamig. And may mountain, ang ganda no? Na-preserve din talaga nila yung culture nila. Ang galing. So, pinupuntahan din tuloy siya ng mga tao to also indulge themselves sa cultures and traditions na meron ng Korea. For the daldalan kami ni ate, in fairness to us, we instantly clicked. Buong time, tawa lang kami ng tawa. I won't really give it to other people eh. So I think you really... Are you honored right now?
Hello, so we're eating. What is this?
Ang dami kong ambag no. Yeah. Binigyan po kami ng mga ajushi.
I think, ano ba to? Peach ba to?
I think so.
Kupal.
Hindi to persimmon eh. Kung ano man po ito, comment down below. Wow! Interactive! Ang sarap.
Yeah. We're enjoying our
Bilhin
time
po kayo sa
here.
mga
Correct.
ajushi.
Sila po yung nagbigay sa amin.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Dabber cards.
Paano maghalo ng yan po, traffic po sa EDSA ngayon. Ibanggaan buta. Basta. Antay-antay na naman tayo ng bus.
Ayan, T! Nag-handbook!
Samahan niyo naman akong maglibot-libot sa Seoul. Please forgive my hand. I'm only using an iPhone 8 Plus back then, so video's a bit shaky. Apologies! Okay for today. Ang ginagawa naman here. So, ano? Medyo lamig. Ang lamig din today. Laban tayo. See ya. This is what I also love about traveling to Seoul. Sobrang convenient talaga ng public transportation nila. Hi guys! Nandito na ako sa Yeongju Station. Dito na kami. So, around 23 stops siya from Jongno 3 gas station. Less than an hour lang, and then we'll take bus number 80 going to Nari Park. So, here. Daming bagets right now. Hindi ko mga maraming yung food trip yan. Sa station. Umaga. It's 8. I'll see you later. I'll keep you updated. Bye! Yes, ayan na po kami. Nilamig na po siya. Sinong naka-t-shirt lang?
Small thing!
This is nothing. Please. Araw. This is in Yeonju Nari Park, so don't forget to visit this place when you visit South Korea. But don't make the same mistake as we did. Hindi namin chinek yung time and dates, so they have a specific dates only. So hindi kami nakapasok, unfortunately. Better luck next time though, but it's definitely a must visit. Sa bus station, Olats po kami today. Nakita po namin yung mga damo pero hindi po kami pinapasok. Olats. I would really recommend visiting Seoul during autumn season. As you can see, grabe yung orange leaves and red leaves sometimes. So this one, we decided to go to Nari Park para naman makita pa rin namin yung mga magagandang autumn leaves, bushes, and things like that. We really enjoyed our stay here. Ang daming picture perfect spots. So definitely a 10 out of 10. It's a must to visit this park as well. There is also an overlooking view in the park, so ayan, it's definitely a must for the picture and the view as well. Siya guys, ang talahiban. Social ang talahiban dito. tingin mo may ahas dito?
Valentina, ikaw ba ito?
Darna! So guys, wow, ang ganda. Ayan. This is in COEX Mall, the Starfield Library. Good morning, mga ka-awesome! Once again, this is JD, your Lakpachero Occupational Therapist, and we are here in Korea. I think it's day 4 na. Ayan. Hanggang maaraw. Kasi yan, papunta tayo yun doon kasi palit tayo ng money. Kaya, for today, my agenda is to visit K-drama locations. So, ito na yung Changnyeong stream. I'm not sure kung na-pronounce ko na tama. Sorry na. Ito na siya. Pupuntahin tayo ng Model Island for startup. Sorry. Guys, pupunta tayo sa isa sa startup locations. Galing akong Myeongdong. So from Myeongdong, sumakay ako ng 506 na bus and going to Nodol Island. And then, few minutes po, nandun na rin ako. So yan, it's a 20-minute bus ride. Very convenient public transport. Whether bus or train. Siguro mas confusing lang yung mga transfers na bababaan mo. And sometimes kasi sa bus, hindi lahat ng bus station, or bus stop rather, hindi lahat ng bus stop binababaan talaga. Nag-stop literally. So, you have to press the button para ma-notify yung driver na bababa ka. So, I'll see you later. See you pag nandun ako sa lunch. Hi guys! Welcome to Nodol Island! So, ito, a brief background. So, ito yung isa sa mga naging shooting locations ng startup nila Suzy Bae and nila Kim Son Ho and Nam Joo Hyuk. Yan, so I'll take a picture first. But it's here. Hi, mga startup fans!
Startup pa!
다음 경로선은 우지로사가 베스트 웨스턴 국도입니다.
Hi guys, so ayan. Tingnan ako, medyo mataas siya. Ayan. Ito na yung kila Namdosan. Ayan siya, startup. Ayan, nagpipicture lang ako pero yun na siya, malapit sa Dongdaemun. Itong filming location na to is very convenient. It's just in Dongdaemun. So Dongdaemun is also a shopping district in Seoul. Happy lost day!
Oh, I know!
Balik ka ng Seoul, ah. Samji again! Go, go, go! Sana may upahan. Si Gongyu ba to? Weh, pinili mo to dahil si Gongyu. Beer lang naman. Oh! Yun lang, beer. Hi guys, nasa bus station tayo. So, it's Sunday today. And we are going to more K-drama locations for today. So, here's my outfit. Medyo panlumi. Naninigas na ako eh. 11 minutes pa based sa kanilang estimate time of arrival ng bus. But, ang first stop na ko ay sa Goblin Tunnel sa may yung graffiti na naglalakad sila Gongyu and Lee Dong-wook. See you there. Bye! This is the famous Goblin Tunnel scene, so I decided to also visit this filming location. Very nice also to take pictures as well, so very much recommended. Next up is Ewha University. Alam nyo ba, a fun fact, ang Ewha University ay isa sa world's largest female educational institute at libre lang pumasok dito and do your photo shoots. So yes, definitely make sure when you're in Seoul, visit Ewha University and look out for your picture perfect spots. Guys, nandito na ako sa isa ng mga startup location. Yan, ito yung old corn dog nila, pero hindi na siya corn dog right now. Ayan, look at the vicinity. Sorry po. I think this place doesn't need any more introduction. So, itong building na to ay ang YG Entertainment Building. Coincidentally, malapit lang siya sa isang filming location na napuntahan ko. So, I decided to stop by as well. Next up is another filming location. This time, Goblin naman. So, itong famous wall na to ay sa Deoksugong Stone Wall Road. Another tip, if you're a solo traveler, make sure to always bring your tripod and not be ashamed of taking pictures of yourself kasi wala naman din silang pakialam. So make sure to visit this wall. It's so gorgeous. And cute babies. Hi guys! So nandito na ako sa famous bridge ng Itaewon Class. Nila Park Sojun. Ayan, ito yung laging hinjinijog. Makikita nyo yun yung Namsan Tower. Ito yung buong area. So, picture na tayo. See ya. Ganda oh. You should also not miss this bridge. Maganda siya kasi kita din yung Enseoul Tower. I also decided to visit the Enseoul Tower. So ito, paakyat ako, I used a cable car. But you can actually climb up the Enseoul Tower. Pwede ka namang umakyat ng hagdan if you opt to. Ayan, ang maganda lang kasi sa cable car going sa Enseoul Tower, kitang-kita mo yung city view ng Seoul na napakaganda. So it's definitely a must try as well. Hi guys, nandito na naman tayo sa isang shooting location. So, isa sa shooting location din ng Goblin. Especially yung, ayan, yung fortress kung nakikita nyo. Kasi ako, hindi ko nakikita. Welcome. So, grabe, ang lamig dito. It's cold. And Koreans are still buying iced coffee. Ano? Ako naman hot. Ang lamig talaga guys. Mahangin pa. Look. Kuha lang ako ng pictures. Few snaps.
Place naman is called Common Ground. So, maganda rin siyang puntahan. It's a shopping area. And also, ang ganda talaga ng mga cargo containers for pictures. Next up is Nami Island. So, ayan. In order to get to Nami Island from Seoul, you have to ride the train. And then, from the station, you have to either ride a bus or a taxi to go there. And then, ride the ferry.
Hi guys! Annyeonghaseyo yorobun! So I am currently here at Nami Island. Ayan, this is my second time here and it's as beautiful as ever. Malamig as always, Korea, autumn. Ayan, naglalakad ako. Ang ganda! Parang every place is picture perfect. So I suggest pag magpipicture kayo, layo-layuan nyo dun sa mga matao kasi usually inuuna nila kung ano yung nasa harap. Pero tayo, mula dulo hanggang palapit, para wala masyadong tao. Look, walang tao. O, diba? Perfect! Pack!
Okay, girl. Keep distance.
Okay, thank you. Whoa! OMG, it's fun!
This is my last day in Seoul, so I decided na chill day lang siya and visit some nice cafes. Once again, this is your lakwatcherong OTJD na nagsasabing once in your life, make sure to try solo traveling in order to discover yourself. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more travel vlogs. Take care!